Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the American Lock A850. This is a heavy-duty 90-degree angle type inside corner padlock hasp is what it is. It's comprised of a few different pieces here, and this is what it looks like when it's assembled. Now the back side of it is here. So what happens is you can't pull this apart until you slide the gate out, or whatever you're attaching this to. Okay? Once you slide it apart, you can then elect, if you wanted to remove that, but you wouldn't. There's a groove cut in that stud that's here, and there is in the screw package, a C-clip. I always forget the name of those pliers that have the two fangs in them for these C-clips. That's how you'll get that put on. And that will keep the plate captive in the back of it. Obviously, when locked, you can't get to the screw heads, okay, at all. Screws are included. They're about a number 10 by 1.5 inch flathead Phillips drive wood screw. You have your staple. Now, the inside corner, where I see people use this is when they've got a sliding gate, whether it be to like a parking lot or, you know, a dock area, or it could be very often as well a secure area within a shop or a warehouse. You might have inventory that must be under lock and key, or you might have serialized inventory. You might have incredibly expensive material. I've seen this sort of lock in the restaurant where they have the regular food. They don't lock up, but they do lock up the lobster and the fillet is the bottom line. So I've seen this lock in those applications as well to prevent the sliding open. Vans, sure, but the times that I sell this to people who are using it on a work van or a vehicle, they're usually making some sort of custom fixture, and they're usually welding it in place. Not usually, but welding it in place, because flathead Phillips drive wood screws would not be appropriate for an application like that at all. Now, let me give you some dimensions. So you can get an idea of an overall width of the unit, about 4 5/8 when it's in the closed, locked position. Overall width now, the other dimension. That'll be easier. About 3 inch, okay. Let's give you the dimensions of the individual pieces. The width of the hasp itself, just under 3 inch. The height, about 1 5/8 inches. The projection of the staple, or the padlock, will go through about 1 7/16 inches. The diameter, the inside diameter of that hole for the padlock is 1/2 inch. Okay, 1/2 inch. The plate for typically the moving gate, not always, 4 3/8, 1 3/4 inch. Projection of that, it's about 3/8 of an inch. The L angle, not that this dimension really will help you, but I like to archive it. 4 inch by 1 1/4 inch. Projection down here, or the length, the width, about 2 3/8 inches. Thickness of the steel as well, it's every bit 1/4 inch. It might even be 5/16. Yep, and then of course your screw package. That's there. Hardened 90-degree angle bar, ideal for corners and gates. Hardened steel hasps resist cutting and sawing. Are available in a variety of different applications. The name, of course, American Lock is synonymous with these sorts of locks. Hasps, of course, the hockey puck lock, as the fellows would come into the shop and say, I need the hockey puck. Oh, you want to lock up your van, hockey puck. There is a link below this video. And by the way, this is all zinc plated. It's going to be steel based. The zinc plating will allow it to resist, obviously, corrosion. Now, a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can view all the American Lock products that we sell. A link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the manufacturer's product catalog. If you were to search that document, Control F or whatever it is on your keyboard for A850, you're going to find that page, and you're going to find its immediate sister products. You'll be able to pick up those part numbers and then populate them back into the website. Very helpful. Other common items, obviously, is the A825, forgive me. The articulated ones, the hinged ones we sell. That A895 is not uncommon. I've even sold that locking bolt for people doing door work as well. If you have any questions on the American Lock A850, 90-degree inside corner heavy-duty padlock, hasp, and staple, or any other American Lock product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.